going to show you how you can use TikTok caption, and if you don't know how to activate it, I'm going to show you how you can activate it. Very simple. Right here you can see this little icon on the left hand side. If you click, boom, you can see already that this video already has the caption and it's showing right here. Now let me show you how you can activate a TikTok caption on your video. Just go right here to this share icon, click on it. To click on it, you come right here to turn off caption. It's because the caption is on right now, you can be saying turn off. When I switch it off, it will change to turn on. Let's go back. See, it's now turn on caption. So right now the caption is off, so let me turn it back on. But if you notice something right here, you notice I don't have the icon on the left hand side there again. So let's go ahead and put it back there, click it. So right now it's on and you can now see the caption is back. Now let me show you another way you can access the caption. Click on your profile, 3 lines, then come to settings and privacy, then go all the way down to accessibilities. Click on it, you can come up here and you see captions. Now if a video have a caption, it will show if it's available, and you can also change the size of the text by coming to text size. Click on it. See, so you can make it bigger if you want to. This is an example right here. Adjust text size. Decide to look, can make it bigger or big. So this is how big you can make the caption looks like. I'll leave it here, adjusted, and that's it. So right there I've adjusted the size of my captions. I noticed they were a bit small, so right now they're gonna appear a bit bigger. So let's go to a video. When a video that has the caption, you notice it right here. This is the icon. Click on it and look at it. Now you can now reduce the volume of the video and just read what the person is saying, the caption, and that is how you can use TikTok caption. For more videos like this, follow me and check out this video right here.